Hey first graders, okay, today we're going to talk about ladybugs and their life cycle. Now, ladybugs actually aren't that different from butterflies. So you'll see a lot of the same words that we saw when we were talking about butterflies. Okay, so hopefully you already watched the video about the ladybug life cycle. And now we're going to look at our packet, okay? So, just like with the butterflies, we're going to start by looking at the words in our word bank. These are words we are going to use to fill in the blanks as we are going, okay? So here we have pupa, black, flowers, insect, ladybug, larvae, red, and eggs. Okay, so already you've probably seen some words we saw before like eggs, larvae, pupa. We saw all those with butterflies as well. Okay, so let's read this and see if we can decide where the words belong. Ready? Begin. Many times you can find a ladybug, oh, that should just be ladybug, on plants or blank. Plants or blank. Where else might you see a ladybug? Plants or, look at our word options. Where might we see a ladybug? Flowers. So we're going to use flowers on plants or flowers. Okay, so many times you can find a ladybug on plants or flowers. Often, ladybugs are blank with blank spots. Ooh, I bet you know what color spots they have. With blank spots. What are their spots? Their spots are black. So we're going to use black for the spots. So what do you think the other blank was? Ladybugs are blank with black spots. What goes with the black spots? The color red. Often ladybugs are red with black spots. They are helpful to farmers and gardeners. A ladybug is an blank. What is a ladybug? A ladybug is a pupa. No, we learned from butterflies that pupa is one part of a butterfly's life, so we can assume it's going to be one part of the ladybug's life, but not what a ladybug is. A ladybug is a ladybug? Well, yes, but we already said that. We wouldn't say it twice. A ladybug is a larvae. Again, that's a word we learned is part of their life cycle, but not what they are. A ladybug is an insect. That makes sense. Okay, it gives more detail about a ladybug. A ladybug is an insect, which is a group of living things. Specific type of living things. Okay, ladybugs hatch from, what do ladybugs hatch from? They hatch from eggs. When they come out of the egg, they are called blank. Do you remember what they are first after being in the egg? That's when they are the larvae. During the next stage, they curl up and attach to a leaf. Ooh, does that sound a bit familiar? That's like what a butterfly did too. And when they were in that stage, they become a what? Remember, that is when we call them a pupa. And that's when when the butterflies are in their chrysalis or cocoons. Okay. Ladybugs actually do something similar. They go into the pupa stage so that they can go from being a larvae into, after about a week, the baby blank emerges. After they were the larvae, they go into the pupa, and what comes out? The baby ladybug. Emerges. After the protective cover over the wings hardens, the ladybug gains the ability to fly. The ladybug is now an adult. Okay, so you can see that was very similar to what we learned about the butterfly. Okay, and just like with our butterfly packet, you have another page which is a cut and paste, and so we have the stages of the ladybug's life. You need to put them in order up here. And then after that, you have a coloring page you get to keep. Okay, so the first 2 pages are really tuning in and to show me what you're learning about the ladybugs. And then the 3rd page is a coloring page for you to keep. Okay, so now we've learned about butterflies and ladybugs, and tomorrow we're going to learn about the life cycle of a frog, and we'll see if it's the same or if it's more different than the other 2. What do you think? Okay, we'll find out tomorrow. Have a good day.